Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and guys, one of my Indian students appeared in IELTS exam. When he got his result went like this. Listening 6 band, reading 6 band, okay, writing 6 band, speaking 5.5. Now see, when you need 6 each to go to Canada or Australia and you get 5.5 in one module, and that module happens to be either writing or speaking, you are literally upset. There is one option which is called EOR, Inquiry on Results, and this option can save you from the hassle of appearing in IELTS test again if you perform well in your actual test. So this student was not happy with his speaking band, and he had watched my video like you are watching this video now, and he decided to apply EOR, Inquiry on Results. By the way, there is handsome fee for EOR. Number one, if your band score changes, you are successful, your money comes back to you. They refund your money. And if EOR is unsuccessful, the band score doesn't change, your money is gone forever. Okay? But he was confident, this Indian student of mine, he was very confident. And after EOR, what happened? He applied EOR on writing and speaking. By the way, EOR doesn't impact your score on listening and reading. It's only for writing and speaking, because listening and reading, they are like mathematics, okay? So his writing band score remained unchanged, but his speaking band score increased from 5.5 to 6, and with this, his overall band score became listening 6, reading 6, writing 6, speaking 6, overall band 6, and now happily he can go to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or anywhere. So guys, sometimes EOR can save you. All the best, guys. Thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.